Hi everyone, my name is Cassidy House and I'm the Natural Resources and Sustainability Communication and Outreach Intern at IFAS Extension, Sarasota County. And today, we are here at North Jetty Park, one of Sarasota's beautiful beach parks. And I am going to use my underwater explorer boat from my Explore Your World backpack kit. You can check out this kit for free at any Sarasota County library. It is designed for children ages 4 to 12 to get out there and discover nature. It has items, books, activities, and even an activity guide designed to inspire exploration for children of all ages, no matter where they live, from neighborhood to nature. All right, now I'm down here at the beach and I'm going to use my underwater explorer boat to find some shells in the shallow water here. All right, so I'm just going to put it down and use my magnifying glass to look. Whoop, gotta be careful for the waves. All right, there's some shells over here. I see one there. All right, I'll reach down and grab it. All right, looks pretty good. I got 1.5 shells there. Now let's go back and put this in my pile of other shells. All right. Now I'm going to put my shell in my pile of the beach's coolest shells that I collected here. And I'm going to sort them by, let's say, size. So I'm going to put the big ones over here and the small ones over here. Did you know that sorting is something that scientists do? It's a field called taxonomy. Taxonomy is the science of sorting and classifying living organisms based off the shared characteristics that they have. For example, I'm sorting and classifying seashells based on their size. All right. Did you know that animals can be sorted and classified too? For example, cats and dogs are both vertebrates, meaning that they have a backbone. They are also both mammals and they are both carnivores, meaning that they eat meat. So even though they're both carnivores and both mammals and vertebrates, they are different animals because they have different characteristics. Okay, so I'm almost finished classifying my seashells. And there we go. I have my big seashells over here, my small ones over here. So you can practice taxonomy at home. You can sort and classify anything. You can sort and classify stuffed animals or your toys or leaves you find outside. And if you want help on your taxonomy adventure from the Explore Your World backpack kit, make sure to check one out at any Sarasota County library. That way you'll have access to our super handy activity guide with everything I talked about today, and you'll be able to use our pocket naturalist guide to help you identify things that you find on the beach. All right, thank you for watching.